Stop! What the hell?
I want a worm. No, I'm gonna cry. No, seriously, this whole side of my head's went warm.
What the hell have you done?
I actually think I broke my head.
No, you've not. There's nothing there.
Like, see, no, I'm not actually joking. See here, this patch is warm.
Yeah, I know that happens to me sometimes when you turn your head too fast. Ready to stomp have arrived?
No, I can't.
Ready to...
Wait like 5 minutes.
But are you not ready to do it like a brother?
I'm sick.
Not ready to do it like a brother, like? Go and eat some Skittles over there and you'll be alright.
Actually, feeling a bit sick.
Skittle time. Sit down then.
What's that?
Little